anytime Uhuru Kenyatta, Gideon Moi, Kalonzo Musyoka, Rigathi Gachagua, Eugene Wamalwa, any opposition leaders are together, that gives Ruto a big headache. Now, muthenya wa umuthi nikuma uhiki na nikuma uhiki wa mwanake wa Gideon Moi, and in attendance was Uhuru Kenyatta and Kalonzo Musyoka, acio nio aria riu thaici turona haria at the top of politics aria mauma kuu, and tokorwo tukiona video haria makenaniire muno. At this point we are looking at two people, Kalonzo Musyoka and Uhuru Kenyatta. Kwena afununu ciragituika gukorwo cigithi na mbere ati Matiang'i thaici tuyo akoro agika kuria mwena wa Kisii muthenya wa umuthi. It is being sponsored by Jubilee government, by Jubilee party. Na muthenya wa umuthi ntorekia kuona the acting right now, the leader of Jubilee party, Uhuru Kenyatta, mena Kalonzo Musyoka, and the giant in the room, Gideon Moi. In any campaign, Modoria ukoragwo on the safe side ni Modoria, either Uhuru Kenyatta is backing them or Gideon Moi is backing them. Why? Because of obvious reasons that we all know. Gutire campaign igihoteka gugikika without money being used. Na andu aria thaici mena that financial muscle, Kenyatta family and Moi family. And now today nturekirie gukorwo tukiona the Kenyatta family, Moi family and Kalonzo Musyoka, uria gwa thaici turakiona niwe among area leaders aria me expected gukorwo makinimwo neo presidential aspirant hari coalition area ya Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, coalition yo maragikorwo makirugoria juzi. This is giving William Ruto sleepless nights. Todo, if those two people go to one side, it's over. It's over. The fact that umuthi ni mumo hiki ni ucio na the mood was good. Of course dogigetwo hiki uwezi to wedo when there are political differences zenye zitakuwa na a very big impact mkionekana pamoja. So the fact that mauma hamwe how in celebration, it really tells a lot about what is going to happen next. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.
Thank you. Please.
Do you think as days are going by, William Ruto is losing grip of that seat in 2027? Do you think? Kuringana na ripoti ndirarikire gukorwo ngiona yandikitwo ni Ndung'u Nyoro, it is saying that by the time kurakinya 2026 there will be enough tension, and gukinya 2027 nginya probably kuringana na ripoti yo kuratuika ati Ruto will even resign na akorwo back either Kindiki or Mudavadi, akorwo kiruguria akorwo peperusha bendera ya UDA, and UDA will break. Only like 3 parties will be left there as days go by, na uria maundu marathi na mbere na gukorwo tukiona, and as things are unfolding, it's going to be tough. It's going to be tough. Adoya eri mangenyitana na makorwo back coalition ino ya Gachagua na Kalonzo, na Matiang'i na Eugene Wamalwa na Mithika Linturi na JB Muturi. Then now we add Gideon Moi and Uhuru Kenyatta. My friend, it's a done deal. Ndiyo maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.